So what can a person do if they wanted to come to Austria and they cannot enter the Schengen area without a visa? Hi, I'm Patrick. I'm your friendly immigration lawyer from Vienna, Austria, and that is a question that we deal quite a lot with. Let's imagine your citizenship does not allow you to enter Austria or the entire Schengen area without a visa. Let's say you're from Iran, you're from Pakistan, you're from Nigeria. All of those countries are on the list where it says, okay, if you're a citizen of those countries, you cannot enter the Schengen area or Austria without a visa. So if you wanted to come here, you would apply, for instance, for a visa type C, a tourist visa, for instance, because you want to visit a distant family member who lives in Austria. If you wanted to get this visa type C, then you would need to apply for it at the local Austrian embassy or consulate that is competent for the country that you live in. In your visa application, you need to prove a couple of things. For instance, that you're financially stable. You need to show when and how you're going to enter the country. You want to see that you're not on a non-fly list and stuff like that. So if you apply and you fulfill those requirements, you should get the visa stamp. It's a broader stamp right directly into your passport. It will then explain the duration of the validity of your visa, and it will also explain whether you can enter the Schengen area only once or multiple times during a 90-day period. But what would happen if the consulate that is handling your visa application says, no, you don't fulfill the requirements? Well, in that case, you still have possibilities to appeal. For instance, normally if the embassy or consulate finds problems or faults in your application, they would give you like the notification. Then there's a whole list of possible visa refusal grounds, and they would explain which visa refusal grounds they see present in your application. For instance, they don't believe that you only come to Austria for a visit. They are afraid that you would not leave. They don't believe that you have the financial resources to cover your stay in Austria. All of these things we see quite frequently with clients of ours, because often people come to us and say, okay, I want to appeal against this decision. That is possible. Oftentimes we've been able to turn it around, but definitely if you're facing such a situation, reach out to the specialist that you trust in and try to convince the embassy that you still are eligible for the visa. In any case, I wish you all the best and do take care. Bye.